Calling all engines! Calling all engines! It's Hiro! Hiro arrived on the island of Sodor a long time ago. He came from a faraway island, where he was known as Master of the Railway. But Hiro broke down, and everyone forgot about him. Until Thomas found him, that is. Now Hiro is Master of the Railway once more. He's a big, strong engine, and very kind and thoughtful to all the other engines on Sodor. That's why he's a really useful engine. Wait a moment. Who's that coming down the line? It's Flynn! He's Sodor's firefighter. Flynn is a red fire engine that can ride on both the roads and the rails. This means he can get to any emergency the quickest way possible. He's always raring to rescue and is a member of the Sodor Search and Rescue Team. Flynn keeps the island safe, both on the roads and the rails. That's why he's a really useful engine.